Hi guys, today we're going to be drawing a Angry Bird. And you want your paper hot dog style. So you're going to make a circle. And then we're gonna make the eyebrows. We're gonna go down a little bit. And then we're gonna go up a little bit. And then we're going to put a line, kind of make it thicker. And then we're going to make a copycat line and stop right there. And do the other side. And we can color those in later. And then we're going to come down. We're going to come down like that. And then we're going to come down the other way. Then we're going to connect them with a tiny curve, just like that. Then we're going to do a triangle shape for the beak. And then we're going to make the eyes. We're going to curve down from here and go to the nose. Same thing on the other side. Curve down here and go to the nose. And then you're going to make a little circle inside of each of them. Then we're going to move on to the tail. We're going to draw like a little stick. Thick stick. Then we're going to draw one like this. And then we're going to draw another one on the other side. And then we're going to draw the little feathers on the head. We're going to draw like this. That's one. And then we're going to come out here. And that's two. And then you can add their feet and wings. So I'm going to draw little feet. Like that. And then we're going to color him. So at the end, if you want to match our colors, then you can pause the video. You ready to color?
Yep.
Let's color. Ready?
Mm-hmm.
Let's do it. like our videos, please like and subscribe and share with your friends. And we'll see you in the next video. Bye!